Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons veg, full guide. Start by replacing egg whites with aquafaba and whipping it to stiff peaks, then fold in sifted almond flour and powdered sugar with gentle motions to maintain airiness. Aim for a batter that flows slowly like molten lava for even shells. Pipe consistent rounds, let them rest until skins form, and bake at a steady temperature for crisp edges and chewy centers. Use vegan buttercreams or ganaches made with plant-based chocolate for rich, dairy-free fillings that hold shape. Flavor boldly with extracts, zests, or natural powders, and adjust sweetness to taste so the shell and filling balance well. Pipe fillings to a consistent size, sandwich shells gently, and allow macarons to mature in the fridge for optimal texture and deeper flavor before enjoying. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more baking guides and tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music, timers, and hands-free recipes into the kitchen, making it easy to time macaron rests and bakes with a friendly tone. I use it to cue oven checks and playlist moods while baking. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When things go wrong, small tweaks fix big problems. Check aquafaba stiffness and avoid overmixing to prevent hollows, and adjust oven temperature to stop cracks. Use a silicone mat and weigh ingredients precisely to minimize variation between batches. Keep humidity low while resting shells and allow them to cool fully before filling to preserve texture and appearance for reliable, repeatable vegan macarons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.